Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
We will learn how to turn off sound in Roblox. So firstly, you have to open the Roblox player application and get into any game of your choice. It does not matter. So I'll just go into this game. Click on the play button. Now let the game load properly. After the game has loaded properly, you have to click on the Roblox button over here. Then go to the settings menu. After that, you will find an option called a volume. You have to turn it down to the lowest possible setting, and after no bar will be existing in here, just press escape to return to the game or this button, and you will be hearing no sound from your Roblox game. So that's how you turn off sound in Roblox.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.